sitting cross-legged with your back straight, chin lifted, your left arm in Chin Mudra, your right palm over the abdomen. Try to feel the movement of the abdomen as you breathe. As you inhale, the abdomen moves out, and as you exhale, the abdomen moves in. Follow the movement. Now take a deep breath. Exhale and pump the abdomen in. Inhale deep. Exhale and pump. Inhale. Exhale, pump. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale deep. Exhale, pump. Inhale deep. Exhale, pump. And begin. And try just to exhale. Let the inhalation happen automatically. All you have to do is continue to exhale. With each exhalation, there is a vacuum created, and the breath is automatically sucked in. For more yoga and Ayurveda related informations, contact AVN Arogya Ayurvedic Hospital, 175 Vellacheri Main Road, Madurai 625004, Tamil Nadu, India. Call +91 9025 700 400. URL www.avnarogya.in. Centers in Chennai, Bangalore, Mumbai, Cochin, Madurai and Malaysia.